Hello, today we're going to prepare this pork filetti alla Maremonti. For this recipe we need anchovy, capers, walnuts and a nice glass of red wine. We start by put some oil in a fry pan and start warming up the oil. While the oil warm up, we prepare the meat with salt as much you like, but don't exaggerate too much, and we add black pepper, fresh grounded black peppers from one side, and we turn in the other side and we repeat the same operation with salt and fresh grounded black peppers. Once we have prepared the meat with pepper and salt, we start frying. We fry from one side. While the meat starts frying, we prepare now the sauce. In a jar we put the anchovy, after the anchovy we put the capers. If we try to take out the salt from the capers, so get not too much salty. We add the walnuts. Then we take some parsley and we chop inside the jar. We clean cloves of garlic and we add oregano. Finally, we top up with olive oil so we can blend nicely. With the blender we pulse several times until the sauce, the compost will be reduced to a nice sauce. After we made the sauce, cook the fillet from one side and we turn in the other side, so we fry the fillet from both sides until it become nice and crispy from both sides, as you can see. To make sure that the fillet is cooked inside, with the thermometers we check that there is a temperature above 60 degrees. Now we can remove the oil that we've been used to fry. And when there is take out the oil, we add the glass of red wine, and we're going to take the juice of half lemon that will be mixed with the wine. In that way, we're going to have a reduced wine sauce. After mixing the wine and the lemon juice, we wait that the meat will absorb some of the flavor from this wine. Also, the meat will be tender, much tender. After being absorbed, we start cutting in small pieces. As you can see, the inside now is nice and cooked. Finally, we add the sauce on top of our pork fillet alla Maremonti. Once it's finished, we garnish with some nice salad and is ready to serve. Enjoy your meal.